Let me show you step by step on how to insert a SIM card in a Samsung Galaxy A07. To do this, you need a SIM card ejector and then the SIM card itself. Okay, now get the device and the SIM card ejector right there. So you're going to press right there so that you can access the tray in which SIM card can actually be placed. When you press right there, it comes out like that. So you use your hand. Okay, you can use your fingers and then try to get the tray out just like that. Now, okay, so now those slots you can actually insert the SIM card, and then the other side is the SD card. So get your SIM card, take care of the orientation of the card, place it very well like that. Okay, just like that. Now get the tray in which the SIM card has been placed and reinsert it into the Samsung Galaxy A07 step by step. You have to be very careful so as not to damage it. So then push it back just like that. Okay, gently. Okay, then it's been pushed. That's the tray. Now we're going to confirm if it's actually inside. So head to the settings. You're going to go to the device settings, then tap connections, then tap SIM manager. You actually see SIM1. The SIM card is inserted. Yeah, if you pick value in the video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.